Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Next topic we are going to see is multiplication of matrices, which is in page number 149. To multiply two matrices, the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of columns in the second matrix. So I already know which is row and which one is column. So multiplication of matrix means you have to multiply the two matrices. The number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Then only we can multiply the given two matrices. Consider multiplication of 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 2 matrix. Order of left hand matrix, that is 3 cross 3, and order of right hand matrix is 3 cross 2, because we are considering two matrices. Then if you multiply the two matrix, you get the order of the product matrix is 3 cross 2. So let us see how it must be. So order of matrix is nothing but number of rows into number of columns. For the right hand matrix also, this is number of rows and number of columns. So number of rows into number of columns. Again the second matrix, number of rows into number of columns. So the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Then only we can multiply the two given matrix. You get the resultant matrix of order 3 cross 2. Therefore, this numbers determine the order of the product matrix. So let us see one example for the multiplication of matrix. Example for product of matrix. Let us considering two matrices. One matrix is A, B, C, D, E, F into the second matrix is G, H, I, K, L, M. So here the order of matrix is number of rows into number of columns. Here the number of rows is 1, 2, 3. So number of rows is 3 into number of columns is 1, 2. Then the second matrix, the number of rows is 2. So 2 cross the number of columns is 3. So here we can see the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So we can multiply the two given matrices. So let us see how we have to multiply the two matrix. First you have to take a first row in the first matrix and first column in the second matrix. So first row, first element A into G plus B into K. So the first element, that is A11 position in matrix 1 and A11 position in the second matrix plus A12 into A21. So B into K. Similarly, the next step, first row, second column. So AH plus BL. Then first row, third column, AI plus BM. Then in this position, A21 position, you have to take the second row, first column. Then again second row, second column, second row, third column. So C into G is CG plus D into K is plus DK. Then C into H plus D into L. Then second row, third column, C into I plus D into M. Then we are going for the last row and the respective three columns. So EG plus FK and EH plus FL, EI plus FM. Now example 3.67, which is in page number 150. If A is equal to 120315, comma, B is equal to 831241,531, comma, find AB. So solution, we observe that A is a 2 cross 3 matrix because number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. So it is a 2 cross 3 matrix, and B is a 3 cross 3 matrix because rows also 3 and columns also 3. So it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Hence AB is defined. So and it will be the order 2 cross 3. So you get the resultant matrix 2 cross 3. So given, you write the given matrix A and B. Then you have to mention the order of matrix A and order of matrix B. Next we are moving to the matrix multiplication. So you are written AB is equal to, this is matrix A and matrix B. First step is you have to choose a first row and first column in the given matrix. So which is equal to 1 into 8. So 1 8s are 8 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 0 into 5. So 0. So this is the position of A11. Then we are moving to the position of A12. So 1 into 3 is 3 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 0 into 3 is 0. Then we are moving to the position of A13. That is first row, third column. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 0 into 1 is 0. So next we are moving to the next one, A21 position. That is second row, first column. Then second row, second column, second row, third column. So 3 into 8. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 into 2. So 1 2s are 2 plus 5 5s are 25. Then 3 3s are 9 plus 1 into 4 is 4 plus 5 3s are 15. Then 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 into 1 is 1 plus 5 into 1 is 5. That's all. So here you are getting the resultant matrix is 2 cross 3. That is, you have 2 rows and 3 columns. So the next step is you have to add. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. 24 plus 2 plus 25 is 51. 9 plus 4 plus 15 is 28. 3 plus 1 plus 5 is 9. So the matrix AB is equal to 12, 11, 3, 51, 28, 9, which is of order 2 cross 3. Example 3.68, which is in page number 151. If A is equal to 2113, comma, B is equal to 2013, find AB and BA. Verify AB is equal to BA. So you have to find the matrix AB and also the matrix multiplication BA, and you have to check whether AB is equal to BA. So solution, we observe that A is a 2 cross 2 matrix and B is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Hence AB is defined and it will be of the order 2 cross 2. So if you multiply this 2 matrix, you get the resultant matrix is also of order 2 cross 2. AB is equal to 2113 and 2013, which is equal to, now we are going to do a matrix multiplication, first row, first column. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. So this is the position of A11, that is first row and first column. Next we are moving to first row, second column. So 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 3 is 3. Then second row, first column, A21. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Then 1 into 0 is 0 plus 3 into 3 is 9. So the next step is you have to add. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 0 plus 3 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 0 plus 9 is 9. So this is the resultant matrix of AB of order 2 cross 2. So next you are going to find a matrix BA. We are going to find the matrix BA. So this belongs to the matrix B and this is matrix A. Now we are going to find the matrix multiplication. So first row into first column, or otherwise you can simply recall it as 7, because first row we are going to this direction, first row and first column. So 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, plus 0 into 1 is 0. Then first row second column, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 0 into 3 is 0. Then second row first column, 1 into 2 is 2, plus 3 into 1 is 3. Then second row second column, 1 into 1 is 1, plus 3 into 3 is 9. So which is equal to 4, 2, 5, 10. So this is the matrix of BA of order 2 cross 2. So already we found the matrix multiplication AB. So AB is equal to 5, 3, 5, 9. But BA is 4, 2, 5, 10. So we verified that AB is not equal to BA.